Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning I spent about half an hour helping one of my kids put together their very first CV. As we were talking through what people expect to see on a CV, I explained that one of the main goals of CVs is to create the illusion that you're a very well-rounded individual. If you describe a person as being very well-rounded, you mean that they've got a lot of experience in a number of different things, and they're quite knowledgeable about a wide range of different things. So if you want to look well-rounded on a CV, it helps if maybe you've got language skills, maybe you've done a bit of sport or some kind of other physical activity, maybe you're well-travelled or you're very well-read. People want to see not only that you've got good academic scores, but also that you've got social skills. Maybe that you've belonged to some clubs or done some volunteering or something like that. As parents, obviously, you want your kids to end up becoming well-rounded individuals with fully developed personalities. And a lot of this depends on them receiving a well-rounded education, where their education doesn't only focus on science subjects or humanities subjects or on academic excellence, but encourages them to think about and learn about all kinds of other areas of life as well, whether that be religion or economics or art or music or drama or science or robotics or whatever. If you're a conference organiser, and I'm thinking about this because I was at a conference yesterday in Bucharest, you want to make sure that you put together a well-rounded programme where you have teachers from different backgrounds, you have some native speakers, some non-native speakers, a mix of male and female speakers, people talking about lots of different kinds of subjects of interest to the people attending. And if you want to get a well-rounded view of the world, you need to make sure you talk to lots of different people from lots of different backgrounds and get all of their different perspectives. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use well-rounded.